Today we will talk about the preventive action of the police. We know that the law is the command of sovereign backup by the sanction. It means there is a sovereign, we the people, we form the government, parliamentary form of government in which we elect our representatives get elected. They are the legislative and some beings are coming to the part of the executives and there is a judiciary. These three wings come into the main according to the four corner of the constitution. But there are the other legislative laws like CRPC, the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, the Police Act 1861 that gives power to the police. Because without the sanction there is no enforcement agencies. Sometimes we say international law is the big point in law. International law is the vanishing point of law. It means there is a lack of the sanction in that sense. So we here, but in the state means the India, there is some sanctioning power, means some coercive measures may be used for the enforcement. In such situations the police come into the picture. Police have to uphold many things like constitutional bill, because an effective police system in a substratum on which the whole edifice of rest into the thought of the constitutional bill. It means while police officer conduct their working, they must respect the article 21, 19 and 14 of the Indian Constitution. And second, maintenance of law and order, that must be under the four corner of the CRPC and the Police Act. Detection of crime also come into this is a solemn duty of the police to investigate the crime, because investigation gives the smooth conduction of the criminal justice system. Investigation gives the collection of evidences and it helps to the produce the witnesses. And fourth is the enforcement process in the social legislation. It means in need of their other things, police have a duty to, nowadays police is restraining the people to come outside due to the corona pandemic. It is also one of the duty of the police to perform in present scenario. Section 23 of the Section 23 of the Police Act enunciate the duties of the police officer that must be performed by the purity, activity and vigilant and in a discretionary method, and safeguard this is the duty of the police to safeguard the lives and property of the people. And Section 29 also of the same act says that the police officer should not use the torturous method to obtain any type of information or other things. But we know that police with the working of the police, some people are and the states are not happy conditions, because there are the several commission and committees suggest that the working of the police is not good, and they saw there the something especially due to the lack of training, due to the political pressure, due to the their socio-economic status. They are working, there is a 24 hours of the services for the police officers, and lack of the police ratio of the police to the our population is a very low one. This and recruitment process, other things are the very things that gives the police in a second bench. And in this case there is the two cases are important. First is the D.K. Basu versus West Bengal, state of West Bengal in 1997. Supreme Court laid down the many guidelines while arresting a person. Police must do those things, means they have to stick their badges, their name and be in police uniform, and ladies must be arrested by the lady police officer in case. And second case come into the Prakash Singh versus Union of India in 2006, that says the political pressure continue to remain one of the biggest handle in the crime investigation for the police. There must be the separation for the two types of the police, means one the criminal justice system police and administration of justice of the police. So we find that the preventive powers and the role of police and the CRPC has given in the separate portions. It means police acts while there is an lodge on a FIR under section 154. If there is a FIR, police start their investigations, and the police have to, if there is a suspicion of the cognizable, there is a vast list that given under the section 41 that police may arrest, and in case of order of the magistrate 156 subclause 3, police may arrest a person, and in some cases police have also power to give the bail to the person. So there is some preventive action in the case of nuisance, curfew, all others, where there is held by the executive magistrate on the meeting with on direction of the executive magistrate. Police have the power to person to arrest in case of extreme emergency, and they to maintain law